Welcome to JournalFeed Top Picks 2023-24 edition. Here's a little taste of what we have in store for you.
But if you are under the impression that a heart rate of 180 is too fast for VTAC, just get rid of it now, because there's no heart rate which is ever too fast for the ventricle. The ventricle can beat as fast as it darn well pleases.
So what does this say at the end of the day? My faculty here that are hardcore about VL know how to get me. This is what they do. They'll door ding my car.
Here's a 90-year-old man, 90 years old, who comes in and take a look at these risk factors. You know what? If this patient came to my emergency department just to deliver flowers, I would admit him to the hospital.
Katie is a 29-year-old woman who just has such an adventurous heart. And she decided this year that it was going to be her year of adventure. In this summer, it's hot outside, and she decides to go for a swim. But bam, Katie suffers a drowning event. But bam, she gets bitten by a snake. But unfortunately, bam, Katie suffers from hyperthermia. But bam, unfortunately, Katie suffers from hypothermia, avalanche injuries, and more. But bam, is exposed to some of the effects of high altitude. Katie is one lucky gal.
Article after article after article saying, hey, you know what? We can look at the 12 lead and make the distinction. And I've got to tell you that as much as I love electrocardiography, there's no reliable way of making this distinction on 12 lead. You can't do it.
If you want to read more about this study, there is a JournalFeed blog post on this that was published in December. So you can pause right here and link to this QR code and find that blog post.
So what does this say to me? Because my diehard bougie people that are my faculty, what are they going to do since I'm from New Jersey? Ba-boom, door ding me twice. Nice, very nice.
My second disclaimer is that I have an affinity for bad dad jokes. We ended talking about thyroid storm, so I'll leave you with this. What does a cloud wear under its raincoat? Thunderwear.
And those of us over the years have certainly thought we are just simply drowning certain patient populations with this reflexive one-size-fits-all 30 mLs per kilogram of an isotonic crystalloid.
And if you would be so kind to freeze this picture in your mind, because believe it or not, if you haven't performed a crike, this picture is priceless.
It's 85% likely this is SVT. Are you going to treat him as SVT and take a chance? A 15% chance that you might be wrong and end up killing the patient? Essentially what you're doing is you're playing roulette with the patient's life, except maybe it's not this type of roulette. Maybe it's actually more like Russian roulette. Case number 2, we're going to jump right into cardiac arrest here. This is a 55-year-old man that was brought to the emergency department in active cardiac arrest. There's his rhythm, and you see down at the bottom right, that was kind of our expression as we looked at this rhythm strip. He gets good CPR. This is not good CPR, by the way. You've got to look at the pre-hospital EKGs, all right? So key point here, you've got to scrutinize the 12 lead and don't trust the computer.
Hey, it's Clay Smith, Chief Spoon Feeder for JournalFeed. I hope you like that trailer, but if you like that, you're gonna really love the whole video series. It is the most important topics across the breadth of emergency medicine, covering 17 different subject areas. It's a total of 10 hours of video, but they go by quick because they're each 30 to 45 minutes long, and it's really what you need to know over the past year. And it is done by Dr. Amal Mattu and his handpicked colleagues from the University of Maryland. You're not going to want to miss this. Go to journalfeed.org, and there you can subscribe to get the videos. If you're a Gold Spoon subscriber, you already have this for free. If you're a Silver Spoon, you can upgrade. Or if you just want the videos, you can do that as well. CME credit is available for participating in this, up to 10 credits. And if you are a Gold Spoon member, you can get up to an additional 36 CME credits per year for participating in the usual daily spoon feed that JournalFeed offers. So go to journalfeed.org.